Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya.
Welcome to Alex and Maya Science Lab.
Move, please. Come on, little car. Hello there, Alex. What exactly are you doing to that toy car? I am using my super secret mind powers to make it drive, Maya. But it is not working. The car is completely stuck. Your mind powers are very impressive, Alex. But to make an object move, you need a force. A force? Like a superhero? Sort of. In science, a force is a push or a pull. If you want your toy car to move, you have to push it or pull it. But I don't want to touch it, Maya. I want to move it like magic. Well, what if I told you we could push the car without touching it at all? We can push it with air. Air? But air is invisible. Air is just nothing. Air is definitely invisible, but it is not nothing. Air is made of millions of tiny invisible pieces, and when those pieces move fast, they can push. Maya, is wind made of air? Yes! Wind is just moving air, and wind has a lot of pushing power. It is time for a game. Everyone watching at home, are you ready? I am going to name something. You have to guess if moving air can push it. Here is your first question. Can moving air push a sailboat across the water? Oh, think about it, friends. Can air push a boat? Tell us your answer. If you said yes, you are correct. Wow, the air pushes the boat. Push, pull, go. Ready for another one, Alex? Can moving air push a kite up into the sky? Yes, I know this one. The wind pushes the kite way, way up high. You got it. Air can push boats. Air can push kites. And air can definitely push your toy car. Let's do it. Let's build an air-powered car right now. To make our air pusher, Alex, we need a toy car. We also need a balloon, a straw, and some tape. A balloon? Are we having a party for the car, Maya?
Okay, here I go.
Oh, that is a lot of air inside there. The balloon is huge. Perfect. Now I am pinching the straw closed so the air cannot escape. But wait, before I let go, we have another guessing game. A guessing game about the car? Yes. When I let go of the straw, the air is going to shoot out the back. Which way do you think the car will roll? Will it roll backwards or forwards? Do you have your guess? Are you ready to see what happens? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Whoa, look at it go! It zoomed forwards! Why did it go that way, Maya? It is a special rule of science, Alex. When the air pushes backwards out of the balloon, it pushes the car forwards. So the air pushing back makes a forward push. Exactly. That forward push has a special science name. It is called thrust. Did you know that we use thrust in real life to move giant machines? Think about a space rocket. A rocket engine shoots hot gas down toward the ground, and that thrust pushes the rocket up into space. Down makes it go up. That is the coolest thing ever. It is the exact same science as your toy car. Maya, science is basically magic. Let's remember what we learned today with a quick rhyme. A push or a pull is a mighty force. It makes things move along their course. The air shoots back to make things go. That push is called thrust. Now you know. You did an amazing job today, Alex. Now it is your turn at home. Ask an adult for a toy car, a balloon, a straw, and some tape. Build your own balloon car and see how far it can go. Try a big balloon, try a small balloon. See which one has the most thrust. Keep asking questions, keep testing things out, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye, scientists! Push, pull, go!